Welcome to English Improve. Have on. Meaning, be wearing. Synonyms, be dressed in, have on oneself. Example, she had on a beautiful dress for the party. Have for. Meaning, consider or treat someone or something as. Synonyms, regard as, view as. Example, she had him for a close friend. Have off. Meaning, take a day off. Synonyms, be absent, have a break. Example, he's having Monday off to relax. Have out. Meaning, resolve or settle a disagreement. Synonyms, work out, sort out. Example, they needed to have their differences out before they could move forward. Have up. Meaning, summon or bring someone to a higher level. Synonyms, call up, bring up. Example, the teacher had the student up to the front of the class to present. Have in. Meaning, invite someone into your house. Synonyms, welcome, let in. Example, she had the repairman in to fix the leaking faucet. Have down. Meaning memorize or master. Synonyms, learn, get down. Example, she had the dance routine down after practicing for hours. Have with. Meaning, be related to or involve something. Synonyms, associate with, be connected to. Example, the issue he is having with the computer is frustrating. Have over. Meaning invite someone to your house. Synonyms, invite, host. Example, we're having some friends over for dinner tonight. Have through. Meaning, help or guide someone through a process. Synonyms, assist, support. Example, The instructor had the students through the difficult math problems. Have back. Meaning receive something you previously owned. Synonyms: regain, retrieve. Example: I finally had my book back from my friend. Have to. Meaning must or need to do something. Synonyms: need to, be required to. Example: I have to finish my assignment by tomorrow. Have at. Meaning: attack or approach with energy. Synonyms: attack, confront. Example: he had a go at solving the challenging puzzle. Have a way. Meaning: give something to someone for free. Synonyms: give away, donate. Example: the company had away free samples of their new product. Have off from. Meaning be exempted from work or duty. Synonyms: take leave from, be excused from. Example: he had a week off from work due to his vacation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.